My name is Ayan. For a long time, I thought confidence came suddenly. I believed one day I would wake up and feel completely confident, but that day never came. Whenever I tried something new, I felt nervous. If I tried speaking English, I hesitated. If I tried sharing my ideas, I doubted myself. Because of this, I avoided many opportunities. One day, my teacher gave us a simple task. We had to introduce ourselves in English. It was a small task, but for me, it felt big. My heart started beating fast. I thought, what if I forget words? What if I make mistakes? What if others speak better? I almost decided not to speak, but then I thought, this is a small step. So I stood up, I spoke slowly, my sentences were simple, I made small mistakes, but I finished. After sitting down, I felt relieved. I realized something. I had taken a small step. The next day, I tried again. I spoke with a friend in English for a few minutes. It was not perfect, but it felt better. These small moments became small wins. Each small win increased my confidence. Days passed. I started reading English aloud. I learned new words daily. I practiced short conversations. Slowly, I noticed something. I felt less nervous. I spoke more naturally. I understood more. My confidence did not come suddenly. It grew slowly, like building something brick by brick. Each small success added to my confidence. Now, when I feel unsure, I focus on small wins, because small wins create momentum, and momentum creates confidence. Final thought. Confidence is built through small victories. Start small, celebrate progress, keep moving forward. Ending line. Keep learning English, keep building small wins, and always remember, small wins build strong confidence.